What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, we are going to speed run putting a new grill on our Ford Bronco. So the first step is going to be to take all 9 of these plastic clips out. Next, remove the intake shroud. Now you're going to remove the 4 10mm bolts on the grill. Now you're going to pop off the grill. Now you're going to need to remove these clips and put them onto the new grill if you don't have them. Now you're going to use a T25 to take out these Torx bolts and take off this assembly here. And now install your grill. Reinstall the 10mm bolts. Throw on the shroud. And reinstall your clips. Reinstall the intake and the clip. And you're all finished. All right, guys, that does it for this week. If you found that helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.